Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Today we're going to try and lose as much money as possible, drink as much green beer as possible. I'm drinking big swigs for super chats. We're trying to get drunk live on air for St. Patrick's Day, and I've got all the green beer you need. It's ready to go. So every time I get a super chat, I'm going to swig some beer and see if we can get through 10 pints of beer and end up rolling around the studio. And then of course we're going to go into the music show on my other channel. So this is live trading, real money, all of my money in all the world. I just don't care. I'm having a great time. It's St. Patrick's Day. I will tell you, I've had plenty of food, so I'm ready. I've built a stable basis to drink on, and every time I get a super chat, the bigger the super chat, the bigger the swig. All right, let's get ready for St. Patrick's Day live here on Martyn Lucas Investor. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you're watching me on Twitter, if you're watching me anywhere other than YouTube, join us here on YouTube. This is where you need to be. All right, let's get into our trades, because we are trading and we are investing, but this is the real deal. Okay, all right, you ready to rock and roll? Let's rock and roll. Let's get into it. So we're just building up. Our party will happen in a couple of hours from now on my music channel. But right now we are trading and investing. So let's get straight into my main portfolio. The studio is all set for a wonderful afternoon. So here we go. Let's get ready. All right, how's everybody doing this afternoon? Day drinking, those were the days, says Jeffrey Diamond. Let's have a little look. Hello, Mike. Mike is here. Yeah, I tune engines. I love it. Ali Isles tunes engines. We love it. Okay, cool. Top of the morning to you, my love and my booty and my handsome. How's the business going? Well, I'm having a conversation here between. Oh, there we go. We've got our first super chat. Here we go. Thank you much indeed. All right, it's my first swig of the afternoon, so let's go into it, and we're going to try and make some money at the same time as having as drinking beer. Cheers, Stephen Lewandowski. Cheers. This is strong beer, by the way. So we've just started and we're off and running. Let's have some fun and let's go over into the studio later on for some sing-along music. Thank you much indeed. Let's get back to the trades. Okay, there's drink number one. You all know I'm a lightweight, right? It doesn't take much to get me drunk anyway. Okay, where are we? Cheers for that drink, Stephen. Appreciate it. The S&P 500. I've set some minimums to buy here this afternoon, so hopefully we'll see some buys. Virgin Galactic is virtually at my price. It's not quite there yet. I still see it going lower. Virgin Orbit. I've got a buy at 56. It went to 72. We sold it at 70. So we missed out on a tiny little bit. But that's all right. We're open to see it go back down to 56, and we'll do it all over again. The idea of today's show is every time I get a super chat, I'll have a swig of beer. Leah's got all the barrels of beer to roll in. They're all green. They're basically it's beer with some green dye in it to make it green. So I'm drinking basically nuclear fallout. I don't know what I'm drinking anyway. Down a pint per super chat? No way. It would have to be a big super chat for me to drink a pint of beer. Bloody hell. Anyway, let's have a little look. T.O. Roll, good afternoon to you. How are you? We had our Jason Fallon in this morning talking about doing our event for the Australians. We're going to do that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Poor Leah. Leah's got to put up with so much. And then we're all going to have a sing-a-ling-along later on. Anyway, Rivian going down. 225. Hello from Norway. Hello from Norway. Now 25 kroner is about 250. So it's a good swing. Cheers. So here we go. Cheers. Hang on. Let's bring in the music. It's happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers, everybody. All right, Octavio Garcia. Octavio, flipping heck, that's, can I tell you what I'll do, oh my gosh, the super, I tell you what I'll do, $9.99, that'll take me down to about here, hang on a minute, that'll take me down to about That will take me down. Hang on, where's the flipping thing? I'm already losing my bloody place. Camera one. Where's camera one gone? Camera one. I'm already losing my place. It doesn't take me much, does it really? Really ridiculous. Right, okay, Octavia, that'll take me down to near the bottom. Cheers. Cheers to you. Let me bring this in. Here we go. Here's the music. Let's have some fun. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Let's lose money and drink beer. All right, there we go. Thank you, Eddie. Just started. I know. It doesn't take much. All right, okay. Flipping heck. Swangan, good afternoon. And he's just started, Mike. You know how it goes, Mike. You know how it goes. Cheers, Swangan. Nice to have you here. All right, let's clear the screen. I've got to pace myself, but I just don't know how to. It's not built into me, I'm afraid. It's just one of those things. Just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Let me change my screen a minute because I'm getting a slow computer. I knew this was going to happen. Anyway, cheers for that. Let's get back to some trading. We're trying to make some money here. Cheers, everybody. All right, let's have a look here. Fortnite, my horse didn't win, so I can't buy someone a free puzzle. I love it. All right. Okay, let's read the comments out. Nice. I will check the last stream. I wish I had some money. I wish I made money by drinking. I'd be richer than Buffett. I know. I told you. It's the best job in the world. My horse didn't win, so I can't buy someone a free puzzle. You missed my comment. Ali, did I miss it? Let me scroll up. Why do people always say you missed my comment? Just say it again. Why don't you just say it again? I wonder where my brother has gone. See, I had to Martin, some serious news. I told you I was going to kick off with Russia. Did you see the ICC? Yes, all seriousness. They've issued a warrant for Vladimir Putin's arrest. I know. It's I mean, now we've got the SAS going in there, James Bond, maybe me with my green beer, because he's got a bounty on his head. Now the whole world is trying to arrest Vladimir Putin. It's absolutely mental. I told you the war's going to end soon. No one listened to me. I told you it's going to end soon. It's going to end soon. I've been saying it for ages. All right, Swangan, let's look at our stocks. We're trying to make money. We're trying to trade. And we're trying to do all sorts at the same time here. Okay, if you're over on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, come and join us on YouTube if you want to buy me a beer. And we're doing little jigs and we're drinking and we're going to fall off our chair with green beer. Oh, yes, absolutely. Amazon going down. I've got buy orders all over the place. Oh, man. What a day for my computer to go slow. I just don't understand why this is happening. It's so bloody frustrating. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm going to have to work with it today. I don't know why. Anyway, ain't much I can do about it right now. So there we go. Oh, hang on. It's changed now. It takes 5 minutes for my scene to change. I like your show, Martin. Thank you very much indeed. We're gonna have some fun this afternoon. I can tell you, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Here's my overall portfolio. This one may end, and the next will begin. Sadly, well, we can't think like that, can we? We can't think like that. About time, LOL. Yeah, indeed. We can't think like that. My horse didn't win, so I can't buy a puzzle. Right, here's my overall portfolio. We're watching it at the moment, and let's see how we do. The S&P, here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. Right, my overall portfolio, 45,885. We did get to 46,000. This is my real money, all my real money, and I'm drinking while investing while celebrating. So anything can happen. I might end up with nothing in a minute. Anyway, whatever. 10,000. So we're looking at the Roth IRA. Now look, Virgin Orbit is going back down. It's going back down. I've got a buy at 56. Is it 56? Let's have a look. I've got a buy at 57. Tell a lie. 57. If it goes down to 57, we'll buy the same amount that we sold today. So we'll just basically we will buy the same amount of shares for less money. So effectively, we took some money from it. The idea is to end up with free shares. I told you, this is Irish trading. All right, how much money we can lose buying a bankrupt company while drinking green beer. Here's my green beer. I've got one little bit to go. There we go, Svangen 77. That'll do it. That'll do it. That'll take me now to the finish of my first pint of beer. Cheers, Swangen. Here we go. Happy St. Patrick. Leah. This can't be right. This can't be right. My wife's working. She's going, you can't keep shouting to me. My wife works. She has a very, very important job. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, Swangen. Happy St. Patrick's Day. There we go. Beer number 1, gone. 1 pint of beer down the hatch. Number 1. Bloody marvellous. Now, you got to wait a second now because Leah's got to go and get me the beer. You know that film? There's a film when there's a bloke. There's a bloke who goes, Ma, meatloaf, Mum, Ma. Remember that bloke? What's his name? I can't remember his name. A famous actor. You know, you can't treat your wife yet. Mike's going, poor Leah. Poor. Oh, don't worry about Leah. Don't worry about Leah. Yeah, it depends how much they give me, babe. I know, 10 minutes. Yeah, but they'll run out of money in a minute, don't worry. Right? One guy gave me $10, so I had to drink like a quarter. You can't, if someone gives you $10, babe, you can't sip, you got to have a quarter. It's the rules. Babe, think of the pension. Where you going? You can't walk out. I need you. I need your help. All right, here we go. Cheers, Mr. Lucas. Go Tilray. Tilray, well, we don't know yet. We've known about the news about Germany for quite a while, I will tell you. Mum, meatloaf. Do you remember that? Do you remember that film? Mum, meatloaf. That was terrible. What a way to treat your wife. Anyway, thanks, Leah. Stephen Lewandowski. Now, Stephen Lewandowski knows. He knows the trouble he gets into just by doing all this. So he knows what this is like for me. They'll run out of money in a minute. 22 thought that was funny. He said, we won't. We're all richer than you. We've got hundreds of thousands. We can drink you under the table. Don't worry. Don't think we can run out of money. We can buy you beer so you end up rolling under the piano. Don't worry about that. He's going. He's in trouble. He's only had 1 pint. Yeah. The thing is, yes, to be honest, I will get told off later. I will. Leah will probably tell me off and go, what was all that about? You know, when you said you were going to build this YouTube family, you never told me it was going to be like this. Anyway, let's carry on. Robinhood. So I want to look at Virgin Orbit. I want to see Virgin Orbit go all the way down to $57. $10 more. Stephen Lewandowski. Here we go. And I haven't got the beer yet. Let me go and check. Hang on. I can hear something. I can hear stuff going on. Leah, I tell you this. Leah might not always be happy with me, right? But she loves me. She knows who I am. So she's good. But I don't see where she's gone. If she doesn't come back in a minute, I'll have to go out and get it myself. But I can see shadows. I can see shadows on the fridge. Did you hear the little jing 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 of the fridge? I've got a beer just come in from Stephen Lewandowski. Cheers, mate. Thank you there it is, Leah. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, Leah. You've had a bit of a sip out of that, haven't you? You've had a bit of a sip out of that. I got $10 from Stephen. Oh, 22, by the way, who's very, very wealthy. He thought it was funny when I said they're going to run out of money soon. They're not going to run out of money. They got millions. I'll slow down a little bit, babe. It's entertainment. YouTube, and this is going to be on the Grammys in years to come. Someone is going to vote for this as being the best. Why are you smiling? What is it? What have you done to it? Have you spiked it? Have you made it worse? You made it worse. I think Leah's made it worse. Right, I've got a refill. Here it is. Right, Stephen Lewandowski. This is on Stephen. Thank you very much. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Stephen Lewandowski, thank you very much. Here we go. Let's have a beer. Let's have a drink. Later on, we're going to be singing. Cheers, mate. Here we go. Everybody, happy Valentine's Day. Oh, the greenness makes it taste weird. The greenness makes it taste weird. I don't know what's going on. Make it a boiler maker. What the heck is that? What's a boiler maker? I don't even know what that is. Anyway, I've got no idea. Cheers, Stephen. Right, let's move on. Looks quite healthy. I wouldn't say so, because I tell you what we did actually. We bought some natural, healthy, proper, organic colouring. And I will tell you now that the healthy organic colouring wouldn't actually mix with the beer. But then we said we got to get this sorted. So we decided to to go all in, and we bought this other food colouring, which is just full of E numbers. It's not good for you at all, but it works. It's basically nuclear radiation from Vladimir Putin. So that works. That sends it green. So don't worry about that. Anyway, Apple is down 0.67. This is my real money. So what I've done, because I know I'm probably going to get drunk right now, what we've done on St. Patrick's Day, the Lucky Trader, which is what this show's called, the Lucky Trader, is I've set, I say we, it's only me, I've set limit orders to buy all my all-time lows. So I've gone to, let me show you what I've done. I've gone to Amazon on my Roth IRA. There you go. I've an order placed at $88. That is my all-time low. There you go. See, order. If it gets to $88, green dye, no hangovers. Trust me. What? The green dye neutralizes the beer, does it? I can't see that. I can't see that happening. Anyway, so Amazon, McDonald's, I've given up on McDonald's for now. Just too expensive. Coca-Cola, I've set an order. So again, I don't have to think about it. An order's placed to buy Coca-Cola. Again, set to an all-time low. And these are my very all-time lows. J&J, set, but they will run out at the bell. They won't go over the bell. I don't want them locked away for the weekend. I want to reassess again on Monday. So I haven't set any orders for Google. But what I've also done is I've got a buy to buy Virgin Galactic at 57. To buy back the same number of shares. So basically, I would pocket the difference. That's the idea. So I'm staying in the stock if it goes down there. And you never know, it might, and it might just, end up being perfect. So anyway, let's look at my position right now. Let's see where we are. And let's have a quick look. Right, this is my overall position, 35,000. My Virgin Orbit's on the way down. The screen's all moving. Look at that. The Roth IRA is going up. So everything's moving up. It's not allowing me to buy anything yet. So it means the 384, can you see that I've got 384 buying? I've got about $1,000. That'll all come back very, very soon. All right. On the bell, $1,000 will come back. So I haven't spent it all unless we go to all-time lows. And then once I set all-time lows, I'll set even lower ones. Anyway, let's see who's here. Happy Valentine. He's smashed already. Sounds like an Irish drink for sure. Before long, he'll give up on the bloody stocks. Yeah, I'll just become the Irish drinker. That's what I'll do. I'll just become the Irish drinker, and I'll just drink for a living. I'll probably be dead by the age of 60, but what the hell. Holla, Luigi555YT, how are you? Welcome over there on Twitch. Hey, if you subscribe to me on Twitch for free using Amazon Prime, on the first Friday of the month, I always give away a cash prize. All the money I make in subscriptions, I give away on the first Friday of the month. Paddy, hi Martin, good evening. How are you today? I'm very well. We're drinking green beer for Ireland, for what do you call it? St. Patrick's Day. All right, hi Paddy. My cyber and bios are going up. Hi Stephen. Cyber and bios are going up. Welcome Stephen. All right, okay. So let's look at our overall position. Who's with me? We've got a good audience this afternoon. We should have a bit of fun. Let's bring everybody up to date right now. And the breaking news that I can tell you now is the International Criminal Court have issued a warrant for the arrest of Vladimir Putin, crimes against humanity. That's now put a bounty on Vladimir Putin's head, and everybody who's a bounty hunter or the SAS or James Bond or even Martyn Lucas with his green beer is hunting down Vladimir Putin now. So let's see how that affects the outcome of the war. I've said, and I stand by it, that the war will end sooner than you can imagine. I don't think America want it to go on any longer. I think they've had enough of sending bombs and getting nowhere to Ukraine. They want it sorted. Anyway, we shall see what happens. All right. Okay. Is there a reward for catching him? There should be, right? There should be. That would sort it out. Somebody will go, hang on a minute. I don't mind. I don't mind a bit of that. Right, I'll tell you what. We got some exciting news here. We broke through my barrier. Look, 6,801 subscribers. There we go. We did it. Brilliant. The next target is 7,000. 10,000 by the end of the year. 1 million views by June the 15th, which is our second anniversary of the show. We're very excited if we get there. What's happening with Virgin Galactic? Right. Again, I have to say, we get people every day message me saying Virgin Galactic's going to fly today, and they're just making up stories. And I had one person today. I've had several trolls who give me a hard time. One guy, he said, I wanted to not like you, but after your video of how you won and lost everything, he said, I have to say I've changed my mind. He said, I've come around. I've come around. So we had a conversation this afternoon. There's a special premiere. If you've not seen it yet or not left a comment, please go and do that, right? It's a video that I'm very proud of. It's doing quite well. June 27th, not June 15. I've had a drink, Stephen, and you're to blame because you bought 2 of them. I'm just saying. So there you go. Virgin Galactic. So people come on all the time and tell me they don't want me to say that Virgin Galactic's going to $3. They don't want to hear what I believe is going to be the case. And they don't like it. They also don't like me to say that it's not flying yet. And there's no news yet. They don't like that. They want me to say it's flying. Well, it isn't. I speak to people at Virgin Galactic every day, nearly every day. I've got some sources there, and they're very tight-lipped. But there is no news yet from Virgin Galactic. So no news. Some will say is good news, but I don't know about that. Don't tell Leah. I've not come around. I don't like you. I love you. There you go. I've not come around. I like it. Don't tell Leah I love you. I love you too, Ali Isles. Ali Isles actually came to our convention in England. This year we're having it in America, and it's still undecided whether it will be in New York at the New York Stock Exchange. Quite fancy that idea. All meet at the New York Stock Exchange and waltz down the road and say, excuse me, do you know who I am? I'm Martyn Lucas, the investor. And they go, oh yeah, never heard of you. Move on. Or we'll go down to the space station at Virgin Galactic. Anyway, one of the two we're going to be at. And I hope Ali Isles will get on a plane and fly across, because next year we'll revisit England again. Hey, Martin, cheers again. Hey, Swangan. Let me bring on the Irish music. Irish music. Here we go. Irish music. You dooby 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 doo, ba ba oopy oo you be you. Here we go. Cheers, Swangan. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you can join us in a minute for the music show. All right, going back to Virgin S&P 500. I'm going to need to go to the toilet in a minute. That's the only downside to all this tomfoolery. You need to go to the toilet. Virgin Galactic is going up again, 264. It's not right yet. It's not there for me yet. I'm telling you. I could buy it and day trade it and scalp it, and I said that the other day. If it gets close, I will. But I've got money reserved at the moment. I tell you what, actually, 414, 420. No, I'm not going to. I'm going to stick to what I know. I'm sorry, I'm not buying Virgin Galactic yet. I've got 206. I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for it to go to 57, and then we're going to buy back our 833 shares. And this so will end up I've gained $180. So the idea is I have $180 out of my 1,500 original investment. That's the idea. If I can get that, Tesla 180, Lucid. Let's have a quick look where we are right now. The overall portfolio is there. Roth IRA is coming up, and 46,000 again, new all-time record, thereabouts, a couple $100 short. Cheers, mate. I'm Irish by Nvidia. Arnold the Palmer. Rupan just subscribed. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers. LOL. We got a new love story. Oh, don't even start on it. I thought we've had Ali. What was it? We've had who was it? The Queen of Self Braiding and what's his name? Church of Logic. They were getting married at one point. Ali, I'm fine, thanks so much. How are you? Brilliant. Okay, Lucid. Let's go back to the main trading position. Apple, Amazon. We've got buy orders that will expire. I don't want to be locked in over the weekend, and that'll put all the money back in the bank again. J&J didn't go. Basically, I'm trying to buy everything at my all-time lows, and that's what I've been doing. When I'm off air and I can't watch it, I just set all-time lows. Walmart 13% up. Tesco. Where's my lover? She's long gone. I forgot her name. Oh, yeah. It's because you wouldn't give her a super chat. Do you remember that? She came on in and she said, I will be your girlfriend if you give me do a super chat. And you were too tight. You wouldn't even give her $1. So she thought, sod it. He hasn't even got $1. You're no good to me, she said. I remember. Oh, yes. You might be interested to know. I bought another share this afternoon of Enphase Energy. Enphase Energy, solar. I'm up 0.19. I bought a share this afternoon, this morning, this evening, whatever. Enphase Energy, I bought a share. Do that. Do the I am at the bar, Stephen. Walk, Steve. Oh, you do. I'm at the bar. Why'd you do that? All right, then. Well, I will. Next time I get a super chat for a beer, I will do that again then. I like that. I like the fact you've remembered that. Do that. I'm at the bar and Stephen walked in. Oh, flipping hell. Play Rattling Bot. I've never heard of it. The only one we've got is this. That's the only one we've got. And take it or leave it. Take it or... There he is. Right. Cheers. That's a good super chat. So that's gonna right. Here we go. So anyway, I'm standing in the bar, minding my own business, thinking. I don't even remember that anybody remembered this. But anyway, Stephen Lewandowski walks in. I go, hello, mate. Where are you from? He goes, I'm from Florida. Florida. So you're a Floridian? He went, yeah. Are you one of those people that live on one of those, like, old people's homes, where they go around in the little scooters? He went, yeah, I got one of them. got one of them, the little golf carts. I said, I've seen them on the telly. I've seen them. They have flags on and everything. They go around. He said, anyway, I want to buy you a beer. It's St. Patrick's Day. I went, is it? He said, yeah. He said, I got to say, I love your show. I want to buy you a beer. Will you have a beer with me? I'll have a beer with you. I said, all right. Cheers, Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Up the glasses. I said, up your bum. Up your glasses. Bottoms up. That's what I was trying to say. Bottoms up. Cheers, Stephen Lewandowski. I tell you what, that's a good one. Here we go. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, God. I don't know. Is that what you wanted? Is that what it was? Flipping heck. There you go. There we go. All right, we're having fun. Best YouTube channel in the world, right? Tell me there's a better YouTube. Poor Leah. I know. Can you imagine living with me? Can you imagine what it's like living with me? Oh, by the way, have you looked at the top of the soup? Have you looked at the top of the chat? Have you looked? There's a special item today. We've got a green iPhone case cover for any model, even Galaxy. It don't matter. A Galaxy, an iPhone 1 to iPhone 14. You can have it with the logo in green. I'm telling you. What the jazz is going on? What's going on? What's going on is it's the Irish trader. We're trying to lose money and we're trying to get drunk on Valentine's Day. All right, that's what we're trying to do. Martyn, the colour is fantastic, but is it also good? Yeah, it tastes very nice. It's a nice beer with the green dye in it. Anyway, I'm in a minute. In a minute, Leo come out behind the Oz curtain and knock him in the head. I can see it. She probably will. She'll come on and go, oi! Stop this. I want to have a bit of peace here. She actually works in the other part of the house trying to get some bloody work done. It's bloody ridiculous, I tell you. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Martyn and family, happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Yeah, every time I get a super chat, I'm drinking beer. Green beer. All right, Tesla. We've got half an hour to go. That means I got to do a what do you call it? A commercial break. I've got to earn. How many people are watching? 29. I'm going to earn 29 cents now. You ready? This is. See this? It's called passive income. I'm earning 29 cents just by pressing that button. Tell you what, best business in the world, right? Lucid, Apple, overall position now, Roth IRA. Let's check it. It's just going sideways right now. We're just under 46,000. Is it green for real? No, it is green for real. It's food dye. It's food dye. It's food dye in beer. It's Irish beer with food dye in it to make it green. It's very green. Bloody hell. Next time I'll put it right in the camera so you can see it, all right? I don't want anyone questioning me. Don't want anyone coming on here going, is he really drinking green beer? Yes, he's drinking green beer. McDonald's going sideways. Coca-Cola, J&J. Google is up 0.98. Microsoft, everything's up. Walmart, we want to buy some Walmart. Do you get money if we watch the ad? Yes, I do. I get money if you watch the ad. Whoa. You can't tune in. Well, you can actually. You can. Yeah, forget that. Tune in just to watch the ads. Just to watch the ad. German Cockitoff. Hello, we got German Cockitoff. How are you? How are you, German Cockitoff? Where are you from? Look at this. What part of the world are you from? I've got an international audience now. St. Patrick's Day. Can someone translate that, please? Can one of my family members, that's everybody with a badge, that's nearly everybody, can somebody do a Google Translate and translate what German Cockitoff just said? I want to know. Next, I want to know what he said. Next Era Energy, Enphase Energy. We've just bought some. I bought one share of Enphase Energy. And if it goes down again, I'll buy it again because we all love Enphase Energy. It's just expensive, that's all. Tilray Brands is going back down again. Mohammed Kahine wants me to buy more. Welcome to St. Patrick's Day. The studio's all green. Do you like it? Do you like it? Ion Canoe, Ford, Rio Tinto. 1.57 down now. We'll do day trader of the day in a minute. I might actually need something like Glory for Russia. Is it really? Wow, look at that. Is that right? Well. He said buy Rio. You don't want to know what he said. Is really? Okay. Moving swiftly along. And I do get a global audience, and I do want it. I do want to hear from everybody. I would rather that. I would rather people be coming from around the world and to share their views on this channel than get angry and shout at each other. I would rather that. Come on here, have a conversation, and be nice and civil and respectful and love it. Have some fun, have a laugh, make some money, make some friends. Absolutely right. All are welcome here. All are welcome here. Welcome to the Green Ship Enterprise, whatever you want to call it. All right. I think I'm just going to have to go to the bathroom, have a quick restroom break. I will see you back in, I've got a thing here called over, where is it? Here. A minute break. I'll see you back in just a minute. I'll leave it on my stocks a minute. I'll stick it back over here and we'll leave it there. And I'll be right back in just a minute. Who said something, Mike? I was busy. We had German Kokitov came in, and we think it was Russian. It looks like Russian, and we want to know what he said. And he actually said, I believe, he said something like "Glory for Russia." That was his comment, and that's his view. And everyone can share their views here on the show. Let me scroll down. Welcome to you. Yeah, welcome to everyone. Here he is, German Kokitov. Are you from... Now, German, I don't know if you speak English, but you can actually call into the show and be on the show. Are you from Russia? I would love to hear from you. The whole world are welcome here to call in and have their say. And so I'm going to give you now the link to be able to call in. It is you have to be a member of our channel only because we don't want bots and scammers and stuff like that. It's one of our perks. Here is the invitation to join. If you are a real person, not a bot, here we go. There is the invitation to join. You can call in via Discord. Now, later on in my show... Oh, I've got to go and get a beer. I'll be right back. I need to take a very quick break. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes. I need to go and get some more beer. And I need to go and... in fact, I'll leave you with the Irish music. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes, all right? I'll be right back. go. How we doing? We're back. Okay, we're back. You can get that off the screen now. We're back. We're back in the house. So I got a cheers. So I'm like, I got my beer sorted out. Went to the restroom, if I'm honest. Okay, so here we go. So I walked into a bar, and a guy from Norway walks in. One of my mates from Norway says, "Hey Martin, I've seen you playing in one of those piano bars in Norway." I said, "You have, mate?" I played in Solstrand. I played in Birmingham, Bergen, and I played in another place. I can't remember the bloody name of it. Svolsvard. That's it. I played there. He says, "Can I buy you a drink, mate?" I said, "Yeah, you can." He said, "Cheers." I said, What you gonna buy me? A shot or a beer?" He says, I'll buy you a small beer." I said, "All right, mate, I'll have some of that." So he said, "Cheers. Happy St. Patrick's Day." Here we go. Happy Christmas. All right. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Let's get back to the stocks. People are tuning in here going, "I want to know about the stocks. I want to know what's going on." They're paying me. They're paying me. What's going on? He's gone to ask Leah if he's allowed to have another pint. That was basically how it went. She went, "Is this going to become a regular occurrence?" I said, "It only happens on my birthday." And she said, "Yeah, the birthday of you, the birthday of the show, and now it's St. Patrick's Day." I said, there won't be anything else. There's nothing else you can do during the year. Anyway, yes, 22. That's right. Swangan says, bloody right. Cheers, Paddy. Martin, how are you doing, Swangan? Appreciate it. We're going to be live in an hour and 20 minutes on my music channel, where we're going to be singing and drinking and dancing and having some fun. So join us for that, won't you? Okay. All right, so here we go. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to check the news right now. I'm going to go into breaking news from Bloomberg and Sky News, and let's have a look. We've heard, let me have a look at this a minute.
Have fallen sharply. Schwab says it got about $16.5 billion in core net new assets for the week, and Bank of America fell to its lowest level since 2020. Wrapping things up.
Whoops. Let me play that.
FedEx rose 8%.
They've got, no, I can't be doing that. They're playing music. Hey, old drummer. Hey, Ali Isles. Can we have a cheers for all the military personnel? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Because, of course, our military, wherever they are around the world, they are going to be frontline for whatever the world throws at it. You're damn right. So, yes, on St. Patrick's Day, let's have a drink from Ail Drummer over there in Italy. And let's also from Ali Isle. So here's to all of those in the front line, of course, all the service people around the world. Absolutely right. So our love and prayers and thoughts go out to all of those. Cheers, and Ale as well. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers. Thank you very much. Bottoms up. All right. Flipping heck. St. Patrick's Day. It should just be called Go Crazy, Get Drinking Day. That's what it should all be about. Christmas and New Year's Eve too. I agree. I think we should celebrate the whole flipping lot. Only on days ending in Y. New Year's Eve. Christmas ends in S. That makes no sense. 22. That makes no sense. You can't be saying stuff like that. Hang on a minute. This makes no sense. Here we go. 22 stuck on the screen. Where are we? Right, okay. Trying to focus it. I'm trying to focus. I'm a professional YouTuber. Trying to focus. Tap, 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 like the screen. We got people over there on TikTok watching the side of my face, watching YouTube. Why don't you join me on YouTube? What are you doing there? I never understand why people watch me on TikTok. 33,000 followers who sit and watch the side of my face looking at my YouTube screen. Come onto YouTube. It's far better. I don't understand it. Anyway, very nice idea, Ali. What's a nice idea? Can we send a cheers for all the military personnel? Yes, we can. We have got, we've got sons and daughters here. Oh, hello. Camera's frozen. Let me fix it. I can fix it. Don't worry. This is what happens when you start overloading the system. And that's what we're doing today. We're overloading the system. We fixed it. Hi, Martin Murray. Hi, Martin. What's happening with space? Absolutely nothing happening with space. People are rumouring all the time, just trying to promote the stock. And it's ridiculous, because the reality is it's not flying yet. And I said and keep saying over and over again, I see it going to $3. Excuse me, I'm having a beer. It's St. Patrick's Day. I agree. Come to YouTube, Swangan. ER on the screen now. Where is it? I agree. Come to YouTube. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What's all that? What's that? Special events that when we drink on the show. Hi, Martin. What is happening with space? DR Murray, like I said, I speak to people every day. Not every day, but most days. And there isn't anything happening. But people want something to be happening, so they make up stories on Reddit, and it drives me bonkers. But I'm just waiting and holding. And as I said before, I've explained my strategy, and I'll do it over and over again. Having a cheers for the military personnel. Wonderful. Thank you, Ale. Let's have a look. It's Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day today. Why days? What's going on? I don't even know what everyone's saying. Right, it's going back down again. So Virgin Orbit, our strategy is this. This is our strategy. I will share it with you. This is top secret, right? Virgin Orbit, I am down because the company is potentially going bankrupt, okay? And Richard Branson is now running around trying to get his friends to invest. The reality is no one really wants to bail out the bank. So why would anyone bail out a Virgin Orbit, no matter how much passion you've got for it? Passion doesn't get you anywhere, all right? The reality is it failed on its last test, and the facts are that there aren't people queuing up to back this, okay? So why are we? Because that's what everybody else who reads charts is going to do. I'm not bothered about that. I don't want to miss out. So I'm going to 57. So I've got a buy order here, and I'm buying at 833 shares at 57, with every intention of selling it again at just under 72, which is where it seems to go to. Now, it did go as high as 74, but I'm not bothered about that. I sold it here. I think I sold it at 70, just about here this morning. And I'm fine with that, and I'll buy it back down there again. Now, I'm hoping I can do that for 4 days in a row. Of course, we've got the weekend now, and by Wednesday, we're going to find out from Virgin Orbit whether they're bankrupt or not. Between now and then, there's all this drama going on, okay? So as long as there's no news that suddenly someone's bought the company, it's great. I want to keep doing this, and if I can do it the same 20% swing every day for 3 days, I'll get my money out. I can buy back again with free money. So essentially, I'll have all my money back out, and I'll have the same amount of stocks for free. That's the plan. It might not go like that, but so far, it's heading the right way. It's got to get to 57. And I've got an order placed right there to buy it again. Anyway, diamond hand with space, holding for long. I don't like that phrase. That was made up by crypto guys on YouTube. It's done to create a drama and an excitement that the stock doesn't know. The stock doesn't know about diamond hands. The stock doesn't care about paper hands. It doesn't mean anything. The fact of the matter is Virgin Galactic is running out of money like Virgin Orbit. And the Virgin Orbit news is filtering into Virgin Galactic. It's putting off investors. So be very, very wary of going, I've got diamond hands, because BitBoy said it on a crypto channel, which gets you to watch his YouTube channel. It doesn't help you. And I am certainly not trading like that. I have to be honest. That's not for me. I've just had a super chat on St. Patrick's Day to drink some more green beer. Hey, let's drink some green beer. Thank you very much indeed. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I think I can finish that one now because, well, you have tipped me 4 times. Happy anniversary, happy Christmas, happy St. Patrick's Day. We've got 10 minutes to go. The show will come to an end and then we're going to go and have a music party. Cheers, Swangen from Norway. I forgot to do man walks into a bar. I forgot to do it. I'll make up for it next time. Sorry about that. Cheers, Martyn. Cheers, Jeffrey Diamond. How are you? There, talking about diamond hands, look. Jeffrey Diamond's in the house. Right, we're going back down again. Virgin Orbit. Keep on going all the way to 57. Go on, make my day. Make my day. Some of you might say you don't want it to go there. If you've set a buy order, you don't want to spend your money. It's going bankrupt. But that's my decision. It's not going to change. Hit that like button. Yeah, we got 24 likes and 30. Thank you, Jeffrey. I appreciate Jeffrey Diamond. Jeffrey's now in charge. Jeffrey, you are now in charge of the likes. Everyone has a job here. I've got researchers. I've got all sorts of people here. Your job is to tell everybody to smash the like button. That's one less thing I've got to do, right? Right? That's your job. You're Mr. Like. Mr. Likey. Okay, J&J, when it hits 151, I've got a buy order. Google is still heading up. Tech is what's going to get us out of this mess. Meta, 196 now. 4%. I wouldn't buy Meta again until it was down to 110. That's where I'd buy it again. It's too expensive now. It was the greatest stock on the market for like 6 months. When it dipped to $100, it was great. But now approaching 200, it's not for me right now. Jeffrey Diamond, I'm up for that, he says. I'm in charge of the likies. Okay. Canoe going up. I wouldn't touch that right now. IonQ. What will we do if Virgin goes bankrupt? What will we do? Absolutely nothing. It won't affect my portfolio at all because it's balanced. It's only 2.43% of my portfolio, so it'll make no difference at all. It's all part of risk management. There it is, 2.43. But nothing just goes bankrupt overnight. Once we get word, like we've got a Virgin Orbit, we'll play our way out of the stock, like we're doing now with Virgin Orbit. We won't just wake up one morning and Virgin Galactic has gone bankrupt. That won't happen because people have bought tickets. They would have to be refunded. Things would have to happen. Well, not necessarily refunded, but people will get to know that they're not going to fly. So things will happen and we'll just have to go with it. But it's why my portfolio doesn't rely on any single stock. And your portfolio shouldn't do either. Otherwise, you're overexposing yourself and you're putting yourself in a vulnerable position. Risk is one thing, but management is another. You need to have your portfolio balanced and structured and all the rest of it. Anyway, at the end of the day, the stock doesn't know you own it. And all these phrases like going to the moon and diamond hands, all created by YouTubers, All created by YouTubers who love sensation and drama. On this channel, I just tell you how it is, whether you want to hear it or not. Okay, MSK, Jeffrey is Mr. Likes. I am Sparkles and Mohammed Guy is Mr. Tilray. Yeah, Sparkles is here. Here he is, bloody Sparkles. Look at this guy here, Sparkles. See him? He's got little silver stars around his head. I don't know what that's all about. I don't know why he does it. What? Does anyone know why he does it? I don't know. Anyway, Virgin Orbit. I sold it up the top. It's going back down. I've got a buy order for 830 shares or whatever down here at 57 cents a share. Maybe it'll go there. Maybe it won't. We've got 5 minutes to go. If we don't get it now, I don't want it in the after hours. Because I don't want to be stuck with it over the weekend. Because over the weekend, we could get some news. And I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be buying it in the after hours. I want to buy it now. Okay? Let's bring everybody up to date. We've got day trader of the day as well. We've got our St. Patrick's concert in a minute. I'll sing along in an hour from now. Swung Vorb from 0.55 to 74. Did you do that, Jeffrey? Did you do that? Congratulations if you did. That's the perfect way to play it. And we'll get some money out of it if it kills us. All right, we'll do what we can. What banking disaster will get this? What banking disaster will we get this weekend? Who flipping knows? Who knows, eh? But what we could get is leaked information about Virgin Orbit or Virgin Galactic. I've got this little fifth sense, little spidey sense that's telling me something is about to happen. So always bear that in mind, that something is about to happen. Good idea, really, living your life aware of that, I think. Okay. What are we looking at now? Virgin Galactic, still nothing there. It's not low enough yet. 1.66. I could buy it now. I could buy it now if I wanted to. But I'm not going to. I'm waiting for Virgin Orbit. I've got a specific set of procedures in, and they've all got to happen in a certain order. They are trying to nationalize all the banks, are they? Well, that's where crypto comes in, then, isn't it? Ali Tizro will tell you that. What banking disaster will we get this weekend? And bearing in mind, if we get a banking disaster, right, I will be the very first person to know. Because the first thing when the banks go, they call me up. They know the first thing they've got to do is call Martyn Lucas so he can go online and make 10 cents with his videos. All right? So make sure that you've rung the bell. That way you'll be made aware of it. And do you know how to ring the bell? Have you all done this? Have you all done this? Very, very important. When you subscribe to the channel, look at this. Click subscribe and see the little bell here. You can go and check if you've not done it. Just go and check it now. Unsubscribe and subscribe again. See, make sure that you've selected all. You need to go into your notifications and turn on your mobile device or whatever. But make sure that you've got all. If you haven't got all, then you will miss out and you might not be made aware of breaking news. And if I get breaking news from Richard Branson about Virgin Galactic or a bank or whatever, or Virgin Orbit, you want to know. So make sure that you've rung the bell, okay? I agree, Mike. In Italy, we have the same exact situation. They should, Mike. Bankers aren't capable. Same issues every 10 years. Too much risk with no consequences. Mr. Lucas, buy Tilray and listen to my advice. Buy Tilray. I've got no money available right now. It's all tied up. It's all tied up at the moment. I've got some money that will become available when the bell goes, but not yet. Here we go. We're coming down to the last minute of the show. We're drinking green beer. I've just finished. Thank you to Swangan, who gave me my last one. If anyone wants to buy me a drink, I'm drinking to fall off my chair with super chats. Green beer. All right. Okay. Here we go. And hit that like button. Yeah, Jeffrey Diamond, you tell him. But bad incentives oftentimes come from the government. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Like before 2008, they wanted everyone to have a home in the US. Now, that's how it started. Right. Tilray Brands. Looking at that for Mohammed Kahine, the overall portfolio. We got day trader of the day coming up. All my buy orders are about to expire. And you can see what I mean because right now I have got in my Roth IRA exactly $3.84. In a few minutes' time, the orders will release and I'll have $1,000 again. Mohammed Kahine will go, well, buy some bloody Tilray then. Here we go. 15 seconds to go. And in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The market is now closed and my buy orders will be released. I don't want to buy them in the after hours. The Roth IRA is just dropping. Vorb order cancelled. Your order to buy Vorb at 833 shares has cancelled. I'll have to reset that if I want to buy it again. But I didn't want to do it over the weekend in case there's something I get stuck in with it. Okay, so I can always do it on Monday morning. I don't want to do it over the weekend. I want to do it Monday morning and check the news before I end up buying it. So my money is getting released as we speak. My money is getting released. Let me share with you, and you can see what I mean. There you go. You can see on my brokerage account, I got $44. My Roth IRA has just jumped to $507. It's gone up. And my balance is just under $46,000. Now then, let's have a look. Let's read some of these comments. Jeffrey, pull your weight around here, mate. Yeah, there you go. Pull your weight. Mike's in charge of moderation, and he's got all the best trophy. He's the most active person on my channel when it comes to commenting. He's very close to Stephen Lewandowski. Bill used to be right there with him, but Bill's fallen off a little bit now. Bill's like number 3 now, but Bill, Stephen Lewandowski, and Mike, they comment on everything. They share everything. They like everything, and do a really great job. Like before 2008, he wanted everyone to have a home in the US. Let's read some more. All Italian banks seriously break down the hidden meaning. Let me have a look. Where words came from. Let me read this. Bankers greed. They were lending money to people who couldn't afford it. This time they took cheap government money and bought bonds, free money on the interest difference. Then it blows up. Surprise. I know, it's ridiculous, isn't it? Anyway, and slaying the bots, yes. You're very good at slaying the bots. I'll give you that. Mike. Very good at slaying the bots. Very good at that. Check. Okay, my orders are getting released one by one. There'll be a couple more in a minute. Virgin Orbit. My overall position is moving up. Just watching what is moving. DJ Squirrel's here. How are you, DJ Squirrel? I'm drinking green beer for super chats. I've drunk, what have I had now? Is that 2 pints of beer? Something like that. On vacation now in Kissimmee, Florida. Wonderful. Goat Meat Alley. Ali, can we have a poll, please? What should Ali have for dinner? Pizza, Chinese, or Indian? And Mike said goat meat. That's nice. Goat cheese, goat milk, not goat meat. No one has goat bloody meat, do they? Bloody hell, not even on St. Patrick's Day. I go for pizza. Let's have a poll. All right, here we go. Ali Isles, as a member of my channel, you can have your moment in the spotlight. Ali wants to know for dinner. Ali's dinner. Bloody hell, Ali. Why don't you just get your own YouTube channel? Get your own YouTube channel. You can do this yourself. Pizza. Pizza. What do you want now? Chinese. And what is the other option? Indian. I would go for a Chinese. Only because I really fancy one right now. There you go. Ask the community. Nice bit of sweet and sour Cantonese style. Ooh, lovely. I think I've got another beer. Hi, everybody. Just wanted to let you know, I just found out international laws has put an arrest. Yes, we got that in the news. DJ, thank you for letting us know. I appreciate it. We already knew because we are a news channel, but thank you ever so much anyway. Let's roll. Hang on, we got a super chat here. Super chat. It's a member's perk. I'm using what I pay for. It's only a member's perk because I say so. I could unsay so at any point. Right, here we go. Let me grab a beer. I've just finished the last one. Swangan. Let me get a beer. Here we go. Right, Swangan from Swangyland. Here he is. Where is he? Hang on. So happy St. Patrick's Day. Swangan from Norway. I love bloody Norway. Healthiest people in the world. They're miserable buggers, mind you. Most of them are really miserable. Most of them, if I'm honest. But very friendly, just miserable. Can you be miserable and friendly at the same time? Anyway, cheers. Happy Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day and anything else we want to celebrate. Cheers, Swanger, my mate. Ooh. That's booty. There we go. Thank you very much. I'm having a good time this afternoon. Right, let's do day trader of the day. The boss has left him another. The boss. That's bloody right. You know how it goes, right? You know how it goes. All married men know how it goes. Hiding because he got green beer. Harsh, or is he hiding it while he makes it? No. Well, I had to go out and pour it out. It's in the bloody fridge, isn't it? DJ, it's in the fridge. Cheers, Jeffrey Diamond. Thank you very much indeed. Roadkill. What's the votes for? 44% are saying pizza. What's wrong with you? Have a bit of class. Go for a Chinese. Bloody pizza. What's bloody pizza? I always... hang on, I'm missing what... Martin, cheers. Me too. Thank you very much. So, we've come to the end of the show. We've got to do day trader of the day. So let's get everybody up to date. All right? Let me just check if anyone's unsubscribed from this drunken tomfoolery. Here we go. Let's see. We had... how many have we had through the show? Hang on, we've not had 1,236. We had 128 people through the show. It's been quite a quiet day. Not many people want to come in and watch me drink beer, obviously. 6,800. Hey, look at that, see? Best channel in the world. Oh, yes. Best channel in the world. All you got to do is drink green beer. There you go. Get in. Right, lovely job. Right, okay. I'm telling you, folks, this, you know I'm not allowed to give financial advice. I'm giving financial advice. Start a YouTube channel and just drink online. People will buy you drinks. Hell, the bell rang 2 hours ago, Martin. No, it didn't. The bell. I just did the bell. I've done the bell already. Right. Okay. Day trader of the day, and then we're going to go over to the music show. We're going to have a proper paddy party. So if you've not got your ticket to the show, it's a very special ticket. It's called a URL. It's called a URL, and it's there with a bright yellow banner in the chat. All right, so you click on that and you can come and join me at the Paddy Party. We're going to be singing and dancing and singing and dancing and dancing and singing. And we're going to continue the tomfoolery of this debacle that is known as St. Patrick's Day. All right, but right now we're going to bring everybody up to date and we're going to do... Yes, Leah? Flipping hell, babe. Is that... I know... Does it come off the counter? Not yet. You're working on it. Leah's not very happy. Leah is not very happy. You know, I told you we got this green dye that is like nuclear waste. It dyes anything. Apparently, it's gone on the kitchen surface, the little granite surface. She's not happy. We've now got a green kitchen top. She's not happy. So I'm in the doghouse now. Dear God, here comes Leah, Mike says. Dear God, here comes Leah. Yeah, 22's laughing. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. He's made about $30 on super chats and caused about $5,000 of damage. Yep, I have. I've made $30 on YouTube and I've caused $5,000 worth of damage from behind the curtain. Hey! No more super chats. I can't have any more beer now until we get... Cheers. Here we go. Jigadoo, ba-ba. Hang on. No more super chats until the music show. All right. No more super chats because I can't sing completely K-lied. I can't sing K-lied, and I've got to start the show. Once I'm in the seat and I've got my hat on and I've got my hands on the piano, I'm all right. But I've got to get from here to there and set up all the things, all the buttons. Right. No more green anyway. It's the poison I'm putting in it that's sending me loopy. Anyway, so hang on a minute. Let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. Day trader of the day. Where are we? Right, so I'm down 1.37. Give you 1 minute. 1.37%. Down 1.37. Right, no more beer right now until I'm sat in my seat. When I'm sat in my seat, we can fall off it. But right now, I need to get to the seat, the piano seat. Okay, so let's put a minute on the clock. Here we go. Yeah, set up all the stuff. Yeah, I've got to set up the stuff. I've got to get over there, press buttons and stuff. Look, see all this here? There's stuff to do. There's stuff everywhere around here. All right, there's stuff to do. Right, I'm down 2.65. I tell you what, I must be the best trader in the world because clearly I know my stuff. DJ Squirrel's giving me a 10. That's in the music show. I said in the music show. Don't come on here. Down 2.65. Down 1.37. Here we go. I can't have won again. I cannot have won again. It's just, it can't be true that I've won again. Bloody hell. I know. Stuff. What's wrong with stuff? What's wrong with that? So anyway, we got another super chat come in. Let's celebrate. There we go. Love it. Excuses. Yes, bloody right. Bloody right. I said to you, don't do it until we come to the end. I thought your Luton Green, poor countertops. I know where you're going. Hang on a minute. Yes, you're down 1.94. It's hard to keep this together. 1.94, down 2.65. It just goes to show, ladies and gentlemen, if you run a YouTube channel and you drink on the show, you beat the best of traders. It just, see, once again, I am the winner. Thank you for your honest trades, Martin. You're welcome. Give me a thumbs up. Give me the sound effects. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe I've won again. So let me look into my crystal ball. Let me look into my crystal ball right now. Here we go. Hang on a minute, because we're going to end the show right now. I'm looking into my crystal ball. Are we going to get from here to the other side of the studio and do the best St. Patrick's Day party the world has ever seen? Yes, you are. It's going to be amazing. No one is going to believe what they're going to see. It's going to be the best ever party in the world. So there you go. And on top of all of that, I have won again. So there we go. That's it from me. Let's go to the credits. Let's get out of here. I'll see you back. Now, what I'm going to do now is... This is wrong. This is wrong. I've got to do this. I've got to press this. There you go. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. No, get rid of that. I'm trying to get rid of that. Right, got rid of that. Okay, roll the credits. But before I roll the credits, I've got to give everyone this link. Now, some of you know how it works. It should take you there. But some people go, it didn't work on my computer. So there's the link. I want everyone to join me for the Martyn Lucas sing-a-ling-along, where we're going to continue drinking beer. And the first song is for DJ Squirrel, and I shall finish all this beer while I sing the first song. So that's it from me. I will see you all back in a minute. Join me on the music channel. Let's get ready to have some fun. Let's roll the credits. There he is, my little munchkin in the bottom corner. What's he called? What are those things called? What, elf? It's not an elf. What are they called? Pixie. Leprechaun, that's it. What's the difference between an elf and a pixie? Anyone know? Nothing. It's whatever you want it to be, right? Who we got here? Ali Tizro, you're late again. You can't come in late. Super Chat, Stephen Lewandowski, Swangen from Norway, Octavio Garcia Ale, Ali Isle, DJ Squirrel, and the new subscriber, Rupert Mundell. There we go. All right, folks. I will see you back in on Monday morning for a regular show. No drinking, no craziness, just investing on the stock market, being sensible. But right now, we're going to get ready for our Paddy Power, our Paddy Party. See you back in a few minutes. Come and join me. Links in the chat. The video will go right there. It's right at the top of the Martyn Lucas channel. Until then, until we meet again, happy St. Patrick's Day. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. Go! This damn computer is too slow. Just wait for the out.